In a world driven by rapid innovation, too many students are left behind, lacking the tools, resources, and opportunities to succeed in STEM. How can we unlock their potential? At TechBlazers, results speak louder than words. Our students are crushing it at global competitions like Robotics, IQ, and First LEGO League. We are committed to excellence with a proud championship history. But it's not just about winning. It's about developing technical skills like coding and designing, and soft skills like critical thinking and teamwork.
That's good.
This helps fully execute the engineering design process.
We offer customized classes in favor of each child's interests and provide amazing tech collaborations with top schools.
As a leading STEM education academy for over 10 years, we specialize in robotics, coding, 3D design for students aged 4 to 18.
At TechBlazers, we are building the foundations for tomorrow's engineers and technology leaders, inspiring students to dream big and create boldly.
The system's not working too well, so we kind of need the placement here to make it a bit stronger.
8 weeks is barely enough to finish this robot.
It requires a lot of bracing since this is not up to my standard.
We don't tell them what to do, we teach them how to think.
It is just more than a robot.